Hello guys, I'm Justin from Grouphunt. So for today we'll be reviewing the Hover Camera Passport. So let's take a look at what's inside. So first we have the instruction manual, and then a cover which you can put your Hover Passport and the 2 batteries that it comes with. But for the Grouphunt deal, we also give you an additional battery, and each battery has the flight time of 10 minutes. So in total you have 30 minutes of flight time. And so this is the Hover Passport itself. As you can see, it's quite small, it's quite light compared to my phone. When it's folded up, it's about the same size. And what's different about this from other drones is that the propellers are actually enclosed into the metal frame itself, so you don't have to worry about getting hurt. And yeah, this is the lens. It shoots in 720, 1080 and 4K. And 1080p is the best because it has image stabilization with it. You can just put it in like this. And you can just hold the button here to power it up. Yeah, so you have to wait a while before the camera powers up, and you can link it to your phone and your app itself. And the app has many different features such as running, cycling, and 360 orbit, which we'll show you in a bit. So for this drone, it's iOS and Android compatible. And then you can link it up to your phone through the drone's Wi-Fi. In order to use this drone, you just have to follow the instructions on your app. And it's quite simple, it's step 1, step 2, step 3, so you can't go wrong with it. So this drone comes in 8 modes, and yesterday we tested it out, so let's go and see the footage now.
Okay, so I'm gonna turn it on. Okay. You need to hold the top. Feel me flying out from my hand. Okay, let's go! Where is it? Oh shit! It can't find me. Has it found me yet? Okay, let's go! Okay, let's go! So fun. Where is it now? Oh, it's really following me. Oh, it's so sunny.
So after spending a few hours testing out this drone yesterday, there are a few things that we learned. There are 8 functions that are in the app, so you should take some time to get used to the different functions and know what each function is before going overseas, because each battery only has 10 minutes of battery life. And if you are not very sure before you travel, then you are wasting a lot of precious battery. So the next thing we learned is that this camera can track your face around. So put your face into the shot before the camera can track you around. Don't go too close, or don't be too far away, if not you cannot track your face. So although nothing happened yesterday, this is quite a small drone, so if the wind conditions are pretty bad, I think you shouldn't risk it and just take the drone down. So if you're wondering whether to buy this drone or say bye to this drone, here's what we think. This is a beginner drone and it's pretty easy to use. We actually crashed this a few times yesterday and it's still fine. The photo quality and video quality for this drone is pretty good. So if you are using it to take photos or videos to capture memories, I think this drone is good enough for you. If you are a professional photographer or videographer, this might not be the drone for you. So professional drones are made to fly slightly higher. Some of them even come with controllers for you to have better control while you're flying the drone. However, these professional drones come at a more professional price. We recommend these drones for families, friends, and people who are traveling, who are looking for a different shot, a different angle, which their normal camera cannot provide. Because this is very lightweight and portable, you can just put it in your bag and take it out anytime to video or take photos of yourself and your friends, or when you're doing some activities together. So if you're interested in buying this drone, do click on the link provided. For the Grouphunt special, we have an extra battery included, so you have 3 in total, which means 30 minutes of flight time. Thank you, see you next time, bye bye.